In this video, I'll detail how to change background in WhatsApp video call. So if you have an active WhatsApp video call, either on your Android or iPhone, and you want to change the WhatsApp background while the video call is active, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, you want to have an active video call on your WhatsApp before you want to change the background. So let's say I have this particular incoming call, WhatsApp video call. Now, once I pick the WhatsApp video call like this, now to change the background, all you just need to do here is this. Click on your WhatsApp video call screen like this. Then you should see menu comes up at the right side here. Then you should see this menu comes up here. Come here and click on this background change icon. Then once you click on that, then you have further menu comes up at the bottom. Now to change the background in the video call, click on background. Now once you select the background, you can just swipe here and choose which of this background that you want to use in the WhatsApp video call while the video call is active. Here you see that this is going to blur the background. This is going to change the background to this. Then if I select this, this is what I'm going to have as my background while I have the video call ongoing. I can also select this cafe, and this is going to put a cafe behind my back while making this video call. You see that this is quite perfect. Then I can also click on some others, including Pebbles, Foodie, Smooch, Beach. So if you want to change your WhatsApp video call background to beach, just come and select beach. If you want to set it to sunset, this is yet another one you can set it to. You can also set to celebration. So once you're on this page, what you just need to do here is click on background. And once you select background, select the background you want to set to here. And once you're done, just continue with the video call. And once you're done with the video call, you can just come here and click on this background icon. Then where you see the background, come here and select none. Once you selected none, this is going to remove the background from your WhatsApp video call. So once you select this, or once you end the WhatsApp conversation, the WhatsApp video call background will be removed. So you may need to remove this when next you want to have the same WhatsApp video call conversation. But basically, to change background in video call on WhatsApp, all you just need to do is select out this. And once selected, you have some options available here. If you click on this option, you're going to be able to change the light mode. So this is going to increase the light brightness or reduce it. You see that? Or once you click on this icon again, this is going to touch up mode on the video call background. So, and this icon is going to return to the previous menu where it erases all the video call background effects. So that is how to change background in WhatsApp video call. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.